enti abusuya sese amene okasa ide se obepiem ewo yaye krom Africa de ekoso ane eye coup d'etat so we president na wan board dwuma yie dia obetianse yaye coup atiawo na breaking news ababe kayensa eno de anohye Ivory Coast Côte d'Ivoire and there coup d'etat akoso atia Alassane Ouattara yes omaye coup atia na abusuya breaking news ababe kayensa yema wonso watibi abusunya ha GH kwabi media so message so be subscribe na wa like wa share ama afoforo nso anya bi atie abusunya se ye ba kun sensem ya ekoso fo na di kan sha ase Ibrahim Traoré oni no di kan sha ase na oye ku a oni tia ne president na abusunya utumi hu se Burkina Faso develop abusunya ano aye din enti obi anso person ni krom te se Burkina Faso because niema Burkina Faso enya no what you say enti abusu eno na amasese ano Ivory Coast omonso aye coup d'etat ati omo president Alassane Ouattara abusu ano aye dina from endo na eba ni na network enye adwuma ewo Ivory Coast abusu na eno nso ade ana haye na ye nya information but ene de ye nya information kire se coup d'etat akoso na ano aye din papa abusu yenkotie de ekoso ewo ho ensamo a efri ho aba abusuye ebi ababe ka yensa no yenko na yenkotie de ekoso ho ni nyina because say and this is the time I was say Africa ye de ye kabom na ye de ho firi nkofro bi ho wate ase abrofo na sisi ya che ha omo sisi ya che into this is the time I was say Africa ye kan ye ho bom wate ase enti abusuya mense wo bre no yenkotie de ekoso ho videos a etwagu ene amanfo a omonso emma comment ewo ho no yenkotie de ekoso ni nyina
efa no ko Ivory Coast president de ayeden atono emprempremu
sese enkra ye nya free Côte d'Ivoire kire se Alassane Ouattara omo president no sese abaye former president onka tiasefo hu bi omaye ku ekune free won tutewa endwene obi hu bone se obi bewu agyaw tina da na make se mo amoye nkrofo posters ade nenam so mo bewu agyaw make na mo ntiase so asama me kan ye nti tutewa na odwene bone ma nipa se nipa bewu a ubedi kan agya no eti Africa fo mpanifo a mompe Ibrahim Traoré yie no mo change mo adwene unim na mo de mo kobo America ne ya fene se France fo na na mo adwene se mbetima kum akoraketwa na firi wo na mo yi na firi na mso wo boa ne man tira ti enwie wiye because say o shebo na aba abibema mu na abibema pese wo de wo hu no Yankopon ahyehyɛ sɛ abibema yende ye ho yatena nkwaso mu ache enti nei odo ho kobo ye fene sen Britain ne America satu anamon foforo fi se enwie wiye sanse bibima moja na suan koduru ba bi se abrofo na ompa bibima yie no erade betwa omu nyina afiri ho abira so se bibima ye fa ye ntoma pefra na yenso so yefiri ohia boburo mu ni yetimi odumankoma ejapade ode ma bibima no erade ya adom na yenso yetimi nya mu chefa bi na nkanya asem ne yenka Russia ne China ne Korea fo boa ya me ade ye ho yese da bi be san akosha abrofo asem wen fa ne yeka no na nipa bi akogi sika di na odi bibima nyina akoshe nkwasum ebra so se de ye ho sanse Israel for kwasum 400 years ni akiri ya kura de yatra 400 years no kura yatra kakra ntino abra so se de ho ti eyenkomsha edaho wose bibiman yefiri kwasum fi se Israel for 400 years na ye pese etwa ebro sa na enyi se ebre na so nti wubia why wadwene so be ma bibiman ho akire no wo say nipa Awurade betwa atwene ande ya ade eda ho okun we nya nipa kun eye Awurade kun ti obia na obetima sia bibiman emputu okwan na wase bibiman nije Awurade hira.
I don't know how this is true, but it is being rumored that there
abusua na ever ensemi ya yen papi woka about
enti abusua se eba se de amanfo bi nso eka ensem efa ni kuo ne ho ene de wi ayesi ye den etu ni free so no yes amanfo bi nso aba be di nkomo e wo ho abusua yen kone nkotie ni nyina na ye hu de ekoso e wo ho ankasa
esi etie e wo kase
is a coup. I don't know how this is true, but it is being rumored that there is a coup in Ivory Coast. And at the moment, we actually do not know anything. We are just hearing there is a lot of information coming out that there was an internal coup in Ivory Coast and there is no internet. The internet has been switched off and it is alleged that it was an internal coup by the military who are now taking over the government. So we actually do not know how true this information is, but we are hoping that it is a true information that now Alassane Ouattara, a person who has been a threat to Ibrahim Traore, is being ousted out of Ivory Coast and the African nations are now rising. So at the moment we actually do not have a lot of information. I've heard this from South Africans, I've heard this from the people from Senegal, I've heard from so many people who are now posting and coming out. But now the problem is Ivory Coast doesn't have internet as we are talking now, but as the news come in, I'll keep you updated. But we are hoping that this is true because you know Alassane Ouattara has been a threat to Ibrahim Traore.
Let's talk about this major breaking news, and this is coming from Ivory Coast. You know, this is like a major one right now, and the videos from Ivory Coast are really not looking good. And there are lots of reports, several reports of a possible military coup in Ivory Coast. The whereabouts of their president is unknown. Most of the citizens are on the street protesting and the videos are really not looking good. Some houses are being burnt down. And now people are asking the big question that where is their president? And now the government already shut down the internet. They can't really, you know, the citizens cannot really relate with people outside the world. Now the big question that people are asking is that what exactly is going on in Ivory Coast and that where is their president? Will there eventually be a military coup in Ivory Coast? But let's see how this situation, you know, unfolds. Because a lot of their citizens are saying that they even prefer a military coup. That their presidents have been like a, you know, a Western puppet. That they prefer a military coup at this point. But let's see how it goes, you know, in maybe a couple of hours to come.
Major breaking news. There is a coup going on in Ivory Coast. This is the best news that I woke up to. It's believed that the government, they have even cut off the internet people so that people will not be communicating with other people outside. People are on the street. They took it on the street due to their frustration. People, they are burning buildings. They are shouting. They are tired of their president. Can you believe all this? It's believed that the president is hiding right now, but it's not confirmed yet. The news is not confirmed yet. The government have not said anything about all this, although a lot of people, they are posting the situation right now, exact things that is happening right now in Ivory Coast. It's believed that all this started on the 19th and the president himself is hiding, according to the information that he is hiding because of everything that is going on. But if this news is true, oh my goodness, the West African country, it seems like it will be in control of the army, the government, African government, it will be control of people themselves. If all these leaders, they don't change, people will take over the government and chase them out. But I'll keep you in touch. If anything comes out, I will come to confirm if the government confirm or not.
Breaking news. France is now literally collapsing. I don't know why I'm smiling. There was an attempt military coup in Ivory Coast yesterday. And remember, this is the same country that France has been using against Ibrahim Traore. The country that he has been using to unalive Ibrahim Traore. They have been supplying weapons. They have been using terrorists of the same country against Ibrahim Traore. And now the people of that country are tired and they want that puppet president out of power immediately. And you won't believe that the president has gone to exile. He has hid. He's nowhere to be seen. The people have gone ahead and burned the buildings. The internet has been shut down by the government not to spread the rumors of everything. But let me tell you, the photos are all over social media. I think this is the right time of Africa to wake up. And if it will happen, it will be one of the best news that we as Africans will receive. Because this is the country that has been used by the French, by the USA, by Michael Langley against Ibrahim Traore. And now, I think if it will happen, we will be having a fourth country that will be joining the Sahel group.
What is happening in Ivory Coast? Yesterday, the 19th day of May 2025, there is this rumored internal coup that took place in Ivory Coast, and it is still unclear if President of Ivory Coast, Alassane Ouattara, survived that coup. Yes, and we also heard that the internet connection in Ivory Coast at the moment is cut off, like it's being cut off. There's no internet connection in Ivory Coast. The Ivory Coast at the moment is in dark mode. So please, if you have any better information of what's going on there, please drop it in the comment section. Let's know if another African country is waking up again, right? It's a welcome development. Like, I just hope this is true. I just hope this is true. I got this news from somewhere, but I don't know if it is true or not. In every rumor, there is atom of truth in it, right? So as a matter of fact, the internet in Ivory Coast is being shut down. No inflow and outflow of information. So it will be a bit difficult to get something out of there. So, but if anyone can be able to get, please let us know. We want to know, right? Let's see if we're going to celebrate for another African country that has liberated themselves. So gradually we will get there. So please update us if you know anything about what's going on in Ivory Coast.
Abusia Nyantobase, send your first time. How would you show me video? For one Sabo Plus, I know soon follow me. Let me give you this breaking news. I think there is a shocking breaking news in Cote d'Ivoire as we talk now. Sisi Amene Woka say there is a shocking news Sibia and now from according to my intels. My intels are telling me that there have been an internal coup d'etat in Cote d'Ivoire yesterday. Yeah. You see, Africa is now understanding some certain things. So if you are a leader and you oppress or suppress your people, definitely you will go out. Sisi and Tia Menyane say Cote d'Ivoire coup d'etat BSC ama eye omo president Alassane Ouattara so therefore not to know. It is alleged say all internet are a war. Cote d'Ivoire is being disconnected. Inti who obusuani bi or Cote d'Ivoire now try say who get it to him or her, it won't go. So this is a breaking news coming straight from Cote d'Ivoire. There have been an internal coup d'etat, and it is alleged that Alassane Ouattara has been captured by the military of Cote d'Ivoire. Follow me, let me give you more news.
Abusiana efasa ensensem yikonom. According to Ghana Phobin reaction,
news coming in is that Ivory Coast is, as we speak now, an army state. They have successfully overthrown the government, and the army is controlling everything right now, and they are in state house now. Right now it's a party. Since last night akuja kuata na internet, it has been dark in Ivory Coast, but they have successfully overthrown the government. News coming in right now, that is credible sources, bana. We are happy for Ivory Coast. We hope that the general will be like Ibrahim Traore, bana. We need more Ibrahim Traores in Africa, bana. And we are hoping Kenya is also on the line, bana. I would also love to be an army state, bana.
Abusuya, where's your etwagu ewo Ivory Coast? Yes, the ekoso wo ho no na ye de ema wo no. Na oni mi say Ghana de se bibi say ekoso a na amanfo de ye esre de ye ene some funny thing bi what you say na Mamemfa said the Ghana for ni bi nso echi o madwe concern about this incident na happen since ya no. Yes, eye comment bi a baaye eye Kwadwo Anoche Frimpong o kiremu a aka Mahama what you say o say aka Mahama na eye Mr Reasonable ono nso kiremu a o say aka wo papa ena obi nso di aye den esile wo ho hwe genti e ma Ghana eye den no ade a eye anibrisem no na manfo bi de edidi agoro what you say ade na ye ka o ha say no eye anibrisem pa hwe John Dramani Mahama what you say tama yeso ni in no say Ibrahim Traore eba bi in this ono nso so ameki ni bibia yi a the possibility na woman say ye be coup atia no e wo high because ono all support da anyema nema no in this one so say wanya obi bi obeti an say ya ye coup atia ndi abusua we nso de ye Ghana fo eye den can because Ghana de esede anyway no wom ndi abusua ha na mele obesi message say obe subscribe na wa share ama fofo nso eden enya bi atie ketewo se enya dudo no nwura makraw bye bye.